SPM 2001, this one. This is type number 3. Type number 3 is when you have 3 terms. Now, I hope you know this, that when you plus and minus is considered 2 terms each. 2 terms. A is 1 term, B is 1 term. A 1 term, B 1 term. Multiply and divide is considered 1 term, right? So if you have, for example, a power x equals to a power y plus b, this is 1, 2, 3 terms, 3 separate terms. When you have 3 separate terms, we let the one with the power x becomes u or becomes y, up to you. Maybe I put y. Yeah. Why do I do that? I want to reduce from a complicated initial equation to a simpler linear equation. Okay. Now in this case, who is having power x now? 3, right? So you want to let 3 power x becomes y. But first we got to break this up. This is 3 power x times 3 power 2. This is 24 plus 3 power x. So you want to let 3 power x becomes, let me say y. So this is now y. 3 power 2 is, everybody, 3 power 2 is 9. So this is 9y. This is 24 plus y. Okay. Now what is 9y minus 1y? 8y. 8y is 24. Y is 24 divided by 8 is 3. So remember, you're not solving for y, you're solving for x, right? So we substitute this back. 3 power x is 3. 3 means 3 power 1. X is just 1. Okay?